Here we go. So we've upgraded this USP, well, slash repaired. Obviously it came in with a broken air nozzle return spring, which we've replaced with a brand new one. And so we fit the CowCow Tech one from the M&P9 ordinary, not the L. That one ever so slightly longer, but as you can see in here, it's sectionally the equivalent of kind of going with a slightly stronger return spring. So yeah, so obviously it fits okay. Obviously we'll get feedback obviously on the long term of that part, but you know, just from initial testing it seems to be fine. So we probably would recommend that to others. Even though obviously the part's not labelled to fit USP. What else do we do? USP Nineball barrel and purple Nineball hop rubber in there, because obviously they're all labelled to fit this. So, but yeah, as you can see, it all working. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.